Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving deep into the world of burnout recovery. Feeling constantly stressed, drained, and unable to cope, you're not alone. Burnout is a real issue affecting millions of people. But the good news is there is a powerful tool to help you recharge: breaks. Before we dive into the world of breaks, let's quickly understand burnout. It's not just being tired, it's a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused from prolonged or excessive stress. It's when you feel overwhelmed, cynical, and unable to function at your best. Now, let's talk about the magic of breaks. It's not just about wasting time, it's about investing in your well-being. Breaks give your body and mind a chance to rest, recharge, and repair. There are different types of breaks to suit your needs. A short breaks, try a micro break like a simple stretch, like touching your toes, or a mindful break with deep breaths. Imagine the tension melting away with a deep exhale. Nature breaks are also fantastic. Step outside, feel the grass between your toes, and listen to the birds. Longer breaks. For a deeper reset, consider weekend getaways. You can explore nearby towns. Even a week-long vacation can work wonders. Digital detox, disconnect to reconnect. Try a social media fast. Create tech-free zones in your home, or take a complete digital Sabbath. To make the most of your breaks, planning is key. Schedule them in your calendar like any other important activity or appointment, so you can let people know you're unavailable and fully immerse yourself in the break activity. Choose activities you genuinely love, whether it's reading a book, listening to music, or spending time with your loved ones. We know it can be tough to take breaks. You might feel guilty or unproductive, but remember, breaks aren't selfish. They are essential. Start small, perhaps with a 5-minute break every hour. Find a break buddy for support, and most importantly, reward yourself for taking breaks.